In this review, for most individuals, gardening is one of their favorite pastimes. They like to spend more time around vegetation, since it is the most natural approach to be in touch with nature. However, trees and plants in your lawn or garden will require trimming over time in order to thrive. You'll definitely need some tools to get your branches and shrubs in shape. A hand pruner is the appropriate instrument for this, as it allows you to easily clip branches or shrubs. Do you require a pruner for your home's garden or lawn? We'll go through some of the greatest hand pruners to buy in 2022, depending on your needs. Please check the product link below the description. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates. Garden Review present top 5 best hand pruners. Let's get started. Number 5. Fisker Power Gear 2 Pruner. The Fisker Power Gear 2 Pruner is a must-have tool, sharp enough to snip away the most tender stems yet heavy-duty enough to handle branches up to 3-4 inch thick. Cutting through branches is simple thanks to a reworked gear and cam mechanism that eliminates the need for excessive hand pressure. In addition, the bypass-style hardened steel blades have a low-friction coating that allows sap to glide off, decreasing gumming and rust resistance. The pruner's curved handles prevent hand fatigue, and the cutting movement makes them simple to use for persons with small hands or limited hand strength. Fisker offers a lifetime warranty on the product. Number 4. Classic Pro Titanium Bypass Pruning Shears. Are you looking for a strong bypass pruner that can handle thick branches, is easy to use and resists rust? Classic Pro Titanium pruning shears are a great option. For a reason, these gardening shears are at the top of our list. The titanium coating prevents the blade from corrosion, allowing it to last longer. The pruning shears can handle branches up to 1 inch thick in the garden, including shrubs, hedges, and trees. More fragile plants, such as rose stems and ornamentals, can also be cut precisely with these shears. And because they have an ergonomically built, anti-slip, shock-absorbing, cushion handle to decrease hand fatigue and wrist strain, these shears won't tire out your hands. This gardening tool also features a sap groove to keep the blades from sticking, and a convenient wire-cutting notch, as well as manual blade adjustment for the most exact snips. Number 3. Gonic 8 Professional Blade Sharp. If you need to clip dead plant branches, anvil pruners are a better option than bypass pruners. The Gonic 8-inch professional anvil pruning shears are the best anvil pruning shears on our list. The tool's sharp, high-carbon steel blades and ergonomic shape are praised by buyers. For easy operation, the pruning shears have a pulley and spring-loaded mechanism. Users with arthritis say the instrument is especially gentle on their hands. Gonic's 8-inch professional anvil pruning shears include a long-lasting high-carbon steel blade, a large cutting capacity, and a comfortable grip. Number 2. Felco 2 One-Hand Pruning Shear. Horticulturists typically choose Felco pruners because of their endurance and range of designs. The Felco F2 pruners are more expensive than other models, but all parts are interchangeable and come with a limited lifetime warranty. Hardened steel blades on the hand pruners and a sap groove on the anvil blade prevent sap from building up and causing the blades to stick during usage. The slim shape is ideal for mild pruning and allows for easy access to hard-to-reach regions. The handles have a rubber cushion shock-absorbing covering and are designed to fit comfortably in small to medium-sized hands. Number 1. Mr. Penn Pruning Shears. An uncomfortable wrist and sore hand can slow down your job after tending to a few bushes. That's why gardeners love the Mr. Penn pruning shears' padded handles, which are comfy and non-slip. It's worth having in the tool shed, a tool that keeps your hand comfy and makes work easier. The shears' titanium-coated blades are incredibly sharp, according to users. These shears are also the most affordable on our list. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates.